Okay, so in example 1, we have a power property because of the exponent on the argument of the log. So we're going to pull that exponent to the front and make it a coefficient on the log base 5 of the product 25 times x. Then we can use the product property to break apart that multiplication, and we'll have 2 log base 5 of 25 plus 2 log base 5 of x. And the log base 5 of 25 is 2, so we can evaluate that log to get log base 5 of 25 equal to 2. Then that's times 2 plus log base 5 of x. And then 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 log base 5 of x would be the expanded form. Okay, in number 2, we have a product, x times y in the numerator, and a quotient of 10 in the denominator. So we're going to use the product property followed by the quotient property to expand this into the common log of x plus the common log of y minus the common log of 10. And the common log of 10 evaluates to 1, so we can simplify this further into log x plus log y minus 1, and that would be expanded form. And number 3, the numerator is a 1, the denominator is a product 4x squared, so we're going to do the quotient property, and that will expand into the log base 2 of the numerator, which is 1, minus the log base 2 of the denominator, and that denominator is a product of 4 times an x squared. So we'll have log base 2 of 4, and then minus the log base 2 of x squared to break apart that product in the denominator. So now we can evaluate log base 2 of 1, which is 0. And then the log base 2 of 4 is 2. And then we can use the power property to pull that exponent off the argument of the log and make it the coefficient. And then 0 minus 2 is negative 2. And then minus 2 log base 2 of x would be the expanded simplified form. Okay, example 4 is a natural log of the product x and the cube root of e. So we'll use the product property to expand this into the natural log of x plus the natural log of e to the 1/3 power, because a cube root is equivalent to a 1/3 power. Then we can use the power property to pull that exponent to the front, and we'll have a natural log of x plus 1/3 natural log of e, and the natural log of e is 1. And 1/3 times 1 is 1/3. So the expanded simplified form is natural log of x plus 1/3.